In this CapCut Mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to create a twirling text animation using the Yippie Twirl effect. This animation adds a playful spinning motion to your text, giving it a lively and cheerful feel, great for fun edits and energetic moments. Let's get started. Open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type in your title or caption. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that matches the mood of your video. Rounded or bold fonts usually look great with twirling animations. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now, switch to the Loop section and scroll until you find Yippie Twirl. Tap on it, and you'll instantly see your text spinning and twirling smoothly on the screen. To control the motion, use the duration slider. Drag the slider left for a faster, more energetic twirl. Drag the slider right for a slower, smoother rotation. Preview the animation and adjust the speed until it feels just right for your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a twirling text animation in CapCut Mobile using the Yippie Twirl effect. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile editing tutorials.